Hi, Brian here from Gengras, Volvo, North Haven. Well, I've been pretty busy this week, moving around toolboxes and getting ready for new construction at our dealership. We're adding 4 new electric vehicle charging stations to the dealer to support cars like the XC40 Recharge and of course our T8 powertrain cars, which are plug-in hybrid. These cars are amazing, great on fuel, lots of power, and less maintenance, which is amazing. So there's really hard to think of a downside other than having to plug it in. But as the world is adding more charging stations, that's getting easier and easier. So to support you, we're adding more to our dealer. So one of those is actually going to be a 400 volt DC charging station. So you can really charge up the car fast. And we want to make sure that cars are ready for test drives and ready after service so people can drive them home with a full charge. Well, that's all I got this week. We're pretty excited about it. Come on down and take one of these cars for a drive. You won't regret it. Drive safe.